Distributors was used originally Patrick's garage. We're going to talking about which distributors BOSCH was used originally for our engine Volvo B20. B20 was used since 1969. Different distributors, which differs from B18. We say about engines only with single carburetor engines. Also, which distributors was used for this type of engine? Letter A, B20A engines. Yeah, I recently found in my messy garage another one with this shield. Yeah, you see, BOSCH, original, made in Germany by Germans, which very important for our time, in Germany by Germans. Yeah, you see number and type of distributor also in this plate, and direction of rotation, anti-clockwise direction. So let's look another one, also this type. Here on the bottom we can see that here BOSCH, we can't reading, but this is very similar for the next model or maybe previous model. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I show you. So this one a little bit different maybe, but looks like the same. Which differs, we see vacuum governor little bit different, capacitor exactly the same, oil, here we should add a little bit oil, maybe from dipstick. It opens, you see this hole not correctly installed. I show you this one. It should be on the top, this hole, which can be closed. You can close it to add a little bit oil for lubricating the shaft. Shaft should be lubricated through this oil hole, which we can take oil from dipstick of the engine, little bit engine oil. And here you see filtering. Here also couple or maybe 3 drops of oil will be enough. But cams of this shaft we can lubricate with grease, special grease for distributors. Shouldn't be get into these contacts, only the surface of cams. We compare them. Rotor looks like original. These rotors interchangeable. You know, at that moment on my car installed a distributor with aluminum body, because it's aluminum body latest type of distributors with aluminum body. This is, you see, cast iron here, Germany BOSCH. Yeah, but now in my car installed distributor a little bit different, and now it works perfectly fine. If you remember, it was rebuilt a couple years ago. You see, capacitor not completely original. You can see scheme. You can find data about this distributor. Distributor plate. There is the plate. What inside the distributor? These weights regulate our advance, increases advance, I think, by this weight from the centrifugal power. You see springs. These springs different, so we don't want to mix them. This is rings, our shaft, at our distributor. Why I installed distributor with aluminum body? Because it's latest type of distributors. My engine now, which in my car, also latest type from 1974, I think. This was engines B20, where I don't know why, they installed crankshaft, metric size crankshaft. Also, all the rest of engine they made with inch sizes, so all the parts in inch sizes. Pulley bolt also in metric size. We noticed it when we screwed this bolt with metric size. So this means this is latest type of the engine, and in latest type of the engine was distributors installed with aluminum body. We easily can recognize them. So, but we can use them in B20A. So we can compare this distributor from 240 series. You see how this distributor differs from previous distributors, because this distributor installed for absolutely different engine. Here you see gear, which rotates from the shaft, oil pump, and distributor from this shaft rotates. You see, this is for 240 series engine, and this B20, this B20, this B21. You see, this is from 140 series. Amazon also with B20. And we look more closely at the German ingenuity. They made this thing strong back in the day, and even spare parts for them, they're not made in the German anymore, and they can come from all over the place, from different countries, not from Germany. For searching parts, use this original number. Here is the same number, they absolutely the same distributors, and the main thing, Germans took this thing seriously. A lot of non-original parts now, you see. And original distributor does look good, and it's definitely sleek looking system. And we really can envision that they can last forever. And of course, as always, I'd be curious to know what your thoughts are about these distributors. And one of them I found out the other day. So you hardly can see this in my previous videos. Right now, you see a distributor from Volvo 240 series. Here is the number and clockwise rotation, but 20A engine with anti-clockwise direction of rotation, and absolutely different breakers. They looks like mirror, and we see position of vacuum governors also in mirror. Here number of part of the plate number, And since you have a car, you're predominantly a driver. But since you have an old car, you're also mechanic a little bit. Thanks for watching. Till next time.